We have big firm experience, so we are more sophisticated than many of the solo practitioners and two-person shops like we started and I had in Covington back in 2002. But we also are very hands-on with our clients.
None of us are one-trick ponies. For the most part, we practice in many areas of law, and if it gets to an area that maybe we don't know, we got somebody else here that can.
So we can take all the different areas that we have experience in, take a holistic approach, and I think that's where Gatlin Voelker is unique.
It's incredibly humbling that people come to us with these extremely personal stories and really spew their life stories to us. We're going to zealously represent you and advocate for your position. And we think, with our skills, our unique set of skills, that we're confident that we're going to have the ability to convince those 12 jurors.
I think there's always creative solutions to problems. And sometimes when things seem really stacked up against a business or an individual, looking for that outside the box and creative thought process is really important.
I like the logic of it. I like that you can find answers, but you can also be creative in the law. But the practice of law is so much more than that. It's building relationships and fostering those relationships with other attorneys, with courthouse staff, with clients, and that sort of thing.
I sometimes will say, okay, as a lawyer, here's what I project, what I think you need to do. But I also will say, okay, we can do all this, but where do you want to be tomorrow, a week from now, a month from now, 6 months from now? And I think sometimes that the counseling part is forgotten, that, just because we solve a problem today, have we counseled them for the future or not? And, that's where I think that you really need to be able to provide that level of service to really fully serve your clients.
It's not all about their law and their legal issues. Sometimes it's as much about what emotion that trouble is causing them. And so you need to be able to understand that, help them manage that to get through such a tough time, and then go from there.
And most of the people that call us, even if they don't end up being our clients, they really are very appreciative of the fact that we can sort out where they need to go or what they need to do. It's a very satisfying type of work. I love doing it.
And a lot of times that's what they need. We may not have all the answers or the fixes for their problems, but to know that they can talk to us, that somebody cares, somebody hears them and understands them, and someone's working for them, that means a lot.